So I've got 2 blocks for this pose, and I'm going to set them about hip width distance apart. This is called rag doll. So the blocks are about even with my hips. I'm going to take an inhale, of course, rolling my shoulders back, getting comfortable in my stance. I'm going to inhale my arms up overhead, gently bend the knees, exhale, and forward fold, placing my hands on my blocks. I'm going to release the weight of my body down toward the earth. So my head releases down, my neck releases down and long, allowing my body to relax. And when I feel ready and comfortable, I'm going to remove the blocks and take a hold of my elbows. And you can do the same. When it feels comfortable for you, take an inhale, take an exhale, remove the blocks, and allow your body to feel heavy. Notice that my knees are slightly bent and my body is relaxed down. My toes are light, and more of my weight is in the heels. Breathing here, releasing the lower back, releasing the hamstrings. Ragdoll. Allow the body to be heavy. Allow the body to be relaxed. Release the head and the neck. If you need to, you can gently rock back and forth. You might like that feeling of assisting the back in releasing. Letting the head relax down and breathing here. As your hamstrings and your lower back release, you may begin to alternate between placing your hands on the floor or grabbing your blocks for support as your body lengthens. And then you may find that you return to grasping your elbows, right holding left, left holding right, releasing the body, allowing the hips to go up toward the ceiling as the head, the neck, and the spine extend downward. Breathe. You are strong. You are powerful. And you are releasing weeks, days, if not years of tension today. You're letting it all go. Breathe and relax. Surrendering to the weight of the body. The neck is relaxed. The jaw is relaxed. The knees are not locked. The toes are light. And the heels are heavy. And now we can begin to gently come out of the pose. So release your hands down to the mat or to your blocks. Take a couple breaths here. And then when you're ready, you're going to go down onto your knees. And gently sit back onto your heels. Placing your blocks to the side if you're using them. And just take a moment here in child's pose. So we're going to lower down to the mat, and lowering our chest between our knees and down to the mat, relaxing the body. Perhaps you alternate directions of your head, looking to the right and to the left. And then when you're ready, push up onto all fours for a couple cat-cows. Let's release that back. Placing your hands beneath your shoulders, knees beneath your hips. Take an inhale, lift the head and lower the belly and look up. Take an exhale, arch the back, push the ground away and release the head down. Inhale, look up, lower the belly. Smile, exhale, lower the head and arch the back. Rock from front to back. Inhale, look up, lower the belly. Exhale, arch the back and release the head. Sit back onto the heels when you're ready. Great. This has been Devin with Present Day Yoga. Namaste. Thank you. Goodbye.